Barbarangay to sing Lost in Your Eyes. Ladies and gentlemen, make way for Miss Maribeth Esse.